Hello friends, today we are going to show you how to use Apache Druid with Apache Kafka. Apache Druid is a real-time analytical database designed for fast slice and dice analytics on large datasets. Most often, Druid powers use cases where real-time ingestion, fast query performance and high uptime are important. So what we have done is we have installed the latest version of Apache Druid, that is 26.0.0. Since Apache Druid cannot be installed in Windows, we have installed it in Ubuntu where Kafka is already running in a single node cluster. Point to notice is that Apache Druid has dependency on zookeeper just like Apache Kafka. Hence, it comes combined with zookeeper. When you download and set up Apache Druid, you will get it along with zookeeper inbuilt. So now let us have a look as how we are going to start the Apache Druid. So after installing the Apache Druid, we can navigate to its bin directory and locate start-druid.sh file. Here I am doing star-druid.sh. As you can see, all the internal services will start accordingly. And once it is started, we need to go to the browser and check if we are able to access the UI or not. So to access the Apache Druid, which is running on a single node cluster, you have to access it through port 8888 by opening the URL http://localhost:8888. And yes, as you can see, Druid is up and running. So now what we are going to do while Apache Druid is running is we will start Kafka, and from Kafka we are going to stream the data, and that data will be sent to Apache Druid where we can visualize it. And as we mentioned, Apache Druid comes with zookeeper inbuilt. The same zookeeper we will club with the Apache Kafka by configuring Kafka broker with Apache Druid's zookeeper. The Kafka broker has started. So now we are going to connect the Druid with single node Kafka cluster and take out the data from Kafka streaming to Apache Druid using this option. To connect to Apache Kafka, here we need to enter details of boot server, which is nothing but the single node cluster IP address. Then we will enter the Kafka topic name from where Druid will consume the data. These are some previously consumed data from the topic. So we will start the console producer, which is available with Kafka, and send some data which should be then readily available in the Apache Druid. So here we are publishing some data to the Kafka topic. Let's say sending again to Kafka topic, and another one is very happy that data is streaming from Kafka to Apache Druid. Now start the stream, and you will see that this data which was pulled out from Apache Kafka topic is visible in Apache Druid database. The beauty of Apache Druid is that we are not using any connector or schema registry, and without writing a single line of code, data is directly being streamed from Apache Kafka topic to Apache Druid. Druid has its dashboard for streaming data visualization, which can be used to see the data picked from any Kafka topic at real time. Apart from Kafka, Apache Druid has inbuilt connectors for other real-time data streaming, so Amazon Kinesis and Azure Event Hub. Existing data present in Druid database can be visualized using its query feature. For example, if we are connected with a data stream related to weather, it will keep storing the data in the Druid analytical data, and we can query this data for past few hours to visualize the hourly changes in humidity or temperature.